With the art of stop motion, filmmakers have been able to create fantastical effects that would have been previously impossible by stitching together a series of pictures of a subject, each picture reflecting a subtle change in either the subject's position or the camera itself. The stitched imagery mimics the visual of a single fluid motion. For example, if an artist were to animate a leg in stop motion, they would divide up the leg movement into smaller increments and photograph each increment. When all photos are stitched together, the viewer would see the leg move as if filmed on video. As the technique progressed, so did its applications. Motion control photography was soon developed. By operating the camera and the subject's orientation on motorized assemblies, filmmakers were able to capture multiple passes of the same shot, each one precisely the same as the last. Each pass represents an element of the scene, such as different lighting sources. As each frame is actively being exposed, both the camera and subject move slowly. In doing so, a motion blur is introduced to each frame. When 24 frames are stitched together for a second of footage, the movement appears more lifelike and fluid. Referred to as go motion, this technique was first introduced during the production of The Empire Strikes Back.
During its early days, motion control photography was an involved process for well-experienced filmmakers and effects artists. With modern technology and software, the process can become more streamlined. Our motion control photography system is controlled via a TNC 4.1 microcontroller that actively controls 7 NEMA stepper motors. However, the electronic system is also capable of operating up to 16 stepper motors. On a 9-meter dolly track, the camera gimbal uses 4 motors, one each to control the track, pan, tilt, and camera focus. The model's gimbal has 1 stepper motor each for the yaw, roll, and pitch. The system is controlled by what we call the jog box, a separate pendant connected to the control board through a PoE cable that utilizes a 6x4 keypad, a continuous CNC rotary encoder, and an LCD screen. After planning the motion path of the camera and the model in a 3D animation software called Modo, the path can be exported as a Cooper file. The file contains the positional values of each motor at specified keyframes. The Cooper file is inserted into the TNC 4.1 via an SD card. To run the motion path, the system must first be calibrated. When initially running the system, the user sets each motor's home positions, then manually programs the focus motor positions at particular keyframes. After calibration, the system is ready to film each pass. Once filmed, passes are composed together in a compositing software. Via a combination of artistry and technical knowledge, the final composite of the scene is ready for viewing.